kind of funny you say that because a lot of times people just associate tax season with April 15th and think that's the only day that matters. There are various days throughout the year that are important for business owners especially. So the next upcoming one is July 15th, which employee benefit tax returns are actually due. So if companies have employee benefit plans that need to file with the DOL, they're due on that date. A more common one is July 31st, when second quarter payroll tax returns are due. And then after that, you get back into those like the big ones. So you have your September 15th deadline. That's when your partnership returns, if you filed an extension previously, those are due. Your S-Corp extensions are also due on 9/15. And then after that, you have the big one as the October 15th deadline, when your individual income tax return extensions are due. And then your regular corporations are due. And then also, if you filed an employee benefit plan extension, those are also due on October 15th. So October 15th is the big deadline. And then you have November 15th, where if you work with nonprofits, your nonprofit extension returns are due as well. So there's tons of dates due, and I would suggest to business owners that the IRS actually has a tax calendar on their website. So if business owners are looking for like a complete set of when things are due, they can go on there and see and download that. There are things that business owners can and definitely should be doing. So all too often, accountants and business owners meet one time a year, usually during tax season, A, because they have to, and B, just due to busy schedules, they don't get to meet during the year. So right now I would suggest that business owners and accountants meet, and one of the best times to do that is in the fall. And one reason for that is to start doing tax planning and tax projections, which are always a good thing to start before year end. Also, because if any changes, they need to be implemented before year end. That would be the best time. But this also allows the accountant some time to see if there's anything we can change from the business standpoint that would benefit the business for tax purposes. And so giving us some additional time is always helpful. And then the other thing is that we can look at their records to date and see if make any necessary changes, and then that would alleviate some of that burden made during tax season, and that just saves both the accountant and the business time during that time period. And so I would suggest to all business owners, if you haven't met with your accountant, schedule an appointment today.